How to receive money from Revolut from a friend. Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to receive money from Revolut from a friend. This is a great way to split bills, pay for a gift, or just send money to someone you know. What is Revolut? Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what Revolut is. Revolut is a financial technology company that offers a variety of banking services, including a prepaid debit card, currency exchange, and international transfers. Revolut is available in over 35 countries and has over 20 million users. How to receive money from Revolut from a friend. There are a few different ways to receive money from Revolut from a friend. Request money. You can request money from a friend by sending them a request through the Revolut app. Link your bank account. You can link your bank account to your Revolut account. This will allow your friend to transfer money directly to your bank account. Use the Revolut card. You can use your Revolut card to withdraw money from an ATM or make a purchase. Your friend can then reimburse you for the amount. Request money. To request money from a friend, open the Revolut app and tap on the request button. Enter the amount you want to request, and then select the friend you want to send the request to. Your friend will receive a notification that you have requested money from them. Once they accept the request, the money will be transferred to your Revolut account. Link your bank account. To link your bank account to your Revolut account, open the Revolut app and tap on the Settings button. Select Bank Details and then tap on Add Bank Account. Enter your bank account details and then tap on Submit. Once your bank account is linked, your friend will be able to transfer money directly to your account. Use the Revolut card. To use your Revolut card to withdraw money from an ATM or make a purchase, simply swipe your card and enter your PIN. Your friend can then reimburse you for the amount. Additional tips. Make sure your friend has a Revolut account. If your friend doesn't have a Revolut account, they will need to create one before they can send you money. Be sure to enter the correct amount. It's important to double-check the amount you are requesting or sending before you confirm the transaction. Use the correct currency. If you are sending money to someone in a different country, be sure to use the correct currency. Receiving money from Revolut from a friend is a quick and easy way to transfer money. There are a few different ways to do it, so choose the method that is most convenient for you and your friend. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance.